In ancient times, when something unusual happened in the sky, people thought that something bad was about to happen. Comets were considered to be one such bad message. In some regions, the sight of a comet was considered as a message for a war. As time passed, people started wondering about comets. So, what are comets? Basically, comets are made of a mixture of ice, dust, and rock. Comets revolve around the sun like planets, but their orbiting time is very long compared to the planets. Comets take around 200 years or more to complete one revolution around the sun. As comets are largely made of ice, every time they come near the sun, the heat from the sun bakes them and a beautiful transmission begins. The iceberg now sports a glowing halo and a tail. But where do comets come from? Most comets come from outside the solar system. But after several thousand flips around the sun, the ice on the comet is gone. And what remains of comet is now called an asteroid. There is an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, where millions of asteroids are present. Asteroids look like tiny broken pieces of planets made up of rocks, and they also orbit around the sun. We can also see shooting star in the sky. What is a shooting star? When asteroids enter into Earth's atmosphere, they heat up and start burning due to air friction. This burning rock is called a meteor. Meteors can be much smaller in size instead of an entire asteroid. They could just be a small part of asteroid. So, shooting stars are nothing but meteors. Most meteors burn up to completely before hitting the ground. If they do hit the ground, they are called meteorites. Meteorites are the meteors that successfully land on the surface of the Earth. Meteorites help scientists investigate the nature of the material from which the solar system was formed. Scientists believe that 66 million years ago, meteorites could have been a major reason for the extinction of dinosaurs. There is very interesting and beautiful phenomenon called meteor shower happens in the night sky. What is meteor shower? When a comet is passing by the Earth, the dust particles from the comet enter into atmosphere of the Earth. Due to the air friction, the particles heat up, then end up burning. These burning particles are basically meteors. When seen from the Earth, swarms of meteors appear. This is called meteor shower. In the last, let me tell you about Hallies Comet. Hallies Comet returns to Earth facility in every 76 years. Sir Edmund Halley made this calculation. He examined reports of a comet approaching Earth in 1531, 1607 and 1682 and concluded that these three comets were actually the same comet, returning over and over again. So, we call this comet Hallies Comet. I hope that you have understood the concept well. Thank you everyone.